Hello, adventurers! If you are anything like me, you tend to forget Mother's Day and Father's Day are a thing until they are right upon you. Luckily enough, I saw this idea floating around on Pinterest and realized it would be quick and easy to do. 24 hours max. All we really need is a cup and saucer, E6000, and if you want the bird feeders to hang from something, some twine. The twine I used can hold up to 40 pounds. I got it from Joann's. Also, a teacup works just as well as these giant mugs I bought on clearance at Target. We start off by figuring out how we want the mugs to lay on the saucer. These mugs have really curved sides, so I went for the section of the mugs that had the largest surface connection to the saucer. I put down a lot of E6000 because I would rather there be too much glue than not enough. I've been making glass sculptures for the garden with E6000 since I was a preteen. Trust me, a little goes a long way, but you really want to make sure the pieces you are gluing together have a tight seal. If the mugs do not want to stay in position while the glue is drying, prop them up with something. I used these paint bottles that you will see in another video in about a month. Then let it sit overnight. The E6000 did its job, it seems. Now to figure out if I'm going to use rope on these or not. I decided to have one hang and one be for a duck table. The placement of the mug handle made the bird feeder lopsided when it hung from the rope, which, with the weight of the birds, would have the bird seed spilling out of the feeder. So I tested a couple placements for the rope and then glued down the rope where I wanted it. Now we let that sit. The glue dried in about an hour, and the bird feeders were ready for a test run before I packaged them up to deliver. Let me know in the comments if this is something you'd be interested in making. Tag me on Instagram at @thefaultygrimoire if you do end up making a cup and saucer bird feeder. As always, may your side quests be memorable and your main quest be fulfilling.